to the caring tower. Luck, fun, shine, and cheer the leader. Dibble, Grumpy, and Share, rolling in the clouds here. Protect the seeds of caring our soul. Care a lot continues to grow. Caring is the key to unlock the magic. Helping others care and share. It's magic. Unlock the magic.
Okay. Day 4 of my secret project. Should have been finished 2 days ago. But that's how it is when everything that could go wrong does go wrong. Like today isn't making me grumpy enough. My belly badge has got a malfunction too. Oh!
Come on, Funshine. You know Grumpy said we can't see what it is till it's done.
At this rate, it's never gonna be done. Curiosity's killing me.
Ow! Just always happens every single time. No peeking!
Who, me? No way, I wouldn't think of it.
Boy, I tell you, just leave me alone every time I try and do something.
Bro, you gotta work on your happy skills.
I heard that!
Grumpy? Ooh.
Dibble! No! It's a secret.
Dibble, what's wrong?
I startled her. What? It's just me.
Grumpy, you scared her.
Well, she was almost gonna... And she knows she's not supposed to... Oh, kiddo, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
Grumpy, Grumpy.
Yeah, that's my name, all right. Grumpy. Oh, look, I know I've been a pain. It's just this project's really important. I can't get it to come together right. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Nothing's wrong with you. It's okay to feel...
Frustrated?
Out of sorts?
Grim?
Grouchy?
And dare we say, grumpy?
I'll try to be nicer. Hey! Stop that! Cut it out! Hey! Stop it! Get back! Back, I say!
Grumpy, what's going on?
My belly badge! It's out of control! Guys, I'm so sorry. It got out of control. I couldn't stop it.
So how come Grumpy's not helping us? This mess is his fault.
The Whiffles don't want him around. Neither does Dibble.
Yeah, like I said, he's gotta work on his happy skills.
Hi there. I'm Mr. Smiley. Pleased to meet you. Well, hello. Mr. Chuckles is my name. Friendliness is my game. Ha ha Hello.
You want us to call you what?
Mr. Happy Face.
Okay, but, why?
A new name for a new me. The grump is gone. Vamoosed, skedaddled. Never again to darken my door. Or yours.
Grumpy? Grumpy?
No, happy.
Huh?
And now, my wonderful friends, let us venture onward.
So, yeah, great. This looks like a good place to take a much-needed break.
Hello.
Hi, Grumpy. Sorry. Hi, Mr. Happy Face.
And how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine as well. Happy to be here, happy to see you. Just, happy. No. Allow me.
Thanks, Grump, Mr. Happy Face.
Happy to help.
I tell you, it's not natural.
Ow!
Now that's gonna make him mad.
Oh, well, accidents happen.
Okay, this is too weird. I want our old Grumpy back.
Snack break.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Happy Face. That's very nice of you.
Nice. My new middle name, Mr. Happy Nice Face. I like that. How is it?
Swell.
Oh, no. There's something wrong with the whipples. Let's check it out. This looks bad. No wonder. There are no clouds.
Happy make clouds. Big clouds. Clouds.
I'm happy to help.
Clouds.
Oh, Dibble, I'm sorry. It only works when I'm grumpy, and I'm not grumpy anymore.
It's no use. He says he can't get in touch with his grumpy side. What if we helped him? Bingo! Check it out.
Back! Get back! Yeah?
A special delivery for Mr. Happy Face?
Mr. Happy Face isn't feeling very happy right now.
That's good. Funshine, have at it.
Yeah, that's it, Grumpy. Feel it.
I can't! I can't be happy, it's just not me! But I can't be grumpy. Look what happened!
It's okay. Just be yourself.
Unleash your inner grump.
Must get grumpy somehow! Bring out the grump in me!
Did it! Quick, outside!
Yeah, go! That's right.
She's happy now. Maybe she'll like it.
Like what, Mr. Happy? Grumpy?
Come on. It's for Dibble.
How sweet.
Aw, Grumpy.
I figured, hey, her home away from home. I wanted it to be perfect. And when I couldn't make it perfect, I got angry and took it out on you guys.
Hey, Grumpy on the outside, good heart on the inside. Grumpy, Grumpy.
It's for you.
Ooh. Ooh. Grumpy, Grumpy. Ooh. Yay. Happy, happy.
My bad. Let's go again.
Come on, you guys, stop fooling around. We gotta move.
Sorry, got a little carried away.
Third time's a charm.